सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज बात करेंगे सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में और स्टॉक मार्केट हाईलाइटिंग। मार्केट एंड फ्लैट, निफ्टी बैंक outperforms rupees at 90.87. Sensex today stock market highlight: Sensex rose 188 points to 83,570 and Nifty added 29 points to 25,694. Nifty Bank outperformed, led by IndusInd Bank, PNB, Federal Bank. Federal Bank hit record high on strong earnings. Sensex today stock market live updates. Indian equities ended the week on flat note even as border market outperforms. The Nifty Bank rose 1.5% over the week, led by IndusInd Bank, PNB and Federal Bank, while capital market PSU Bank and metal stock gained about 5%. On Friday, benchmark snapped a 2-day losing streak but closed up high. The Sensex rose 188 points to 83,570 and Nifty ended 29 points to 25,694, slipping below 25,700. Nifty Bank outperformed, jumping 515 points to 60,095 ahead of key bank result, while Nifty IT surged 3% after Infosys Q3 show. Federal Bank jumped 10% to a record high on strong earnings, while the Rupee weakness further to 90.87. Sensex to the stock market highlight. Thank you. Reader, that's all from cnbctv.com. Live market coverage on January 16, 2026. Stay tuned for the other updates on our website cnbctv18.com. You can follow us on Twitter. Sensex today stock market highlight: Wipro declared interim dividend. Wipro announced Q3 result. Stock ended 2.54% higher than 266.80. Ahead of the announcement, IT revenue 3.3% up at 23,378 crore vs 22,640 crore QOQ. IT EBIT 5.5% down at 3,570.5 crore vs 16.7% QOQ. Board declared interim dividend of 6 per share. Sensex today stock market highlight: good news for real estate companies. Expert: I think you know effectively the government has been running BMC for the last few years.